Hi everyone, here we have a nice radical problem, that is square root of square root 9 minus square root 8. What we are going to do first is under root 9 is equal to 3 and this 8 is equal to, we can write this as 22 and whole under root, right, which is equal to 3 minus this under root 4 is 2, so this is 2 under root 2 whole square root. Okay, now what will we do? We'll make this 3 minus 2 under root 2. We will make this an identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b square. So we'll write this 3 as 2 plus 1 minus this as 2 under root 2 under root 1, right? So this is equal to, now we'll exchange the terms, we'll write 2 plus 2 under root 2 under root 1 plus 1. This 2 can be written as under root 2 square minus 2 under root 2 under root 1 plus under root 1 square, because this root and square will get cancelled out and this will again be 1. Now if we clearly see, this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is here a is equal to under root 2, b is equal to under root 1. So we can write this as under root 2 plus under root minus under root 1 whole square. Since this was under root, this also here also, so this root and square will get cancelled out, so here remains under root 2 minus under root 1, that is under root 2 minus under root 1 is 1. So this is our answer. Hope you have understood this. Thanks for watching.